Macro stress testing is a very important course that we have. This course focuses on monetary and capital market developments, and it adopts a newly tool given by the Monetary and Capital Market Department for stress testing on macro level. And of course, part of this is financial sector assessment program as well. The course outline include entering the data. So we will use the Excel sheet for financial analysis, macro testings, stress testings, and estimate econometric models to create some macro financial links. We will see the designing assumption. We will see what are the tests, what is the hypothesis, what are the possible outcomes. We will see the running test and summarizing and presenting the results. So a lot of things we are going to discuss throughout the focus. We will talk about solvency, liquidity, stressing techniques, and its possible outcomes and analysis. This is what is the major outline of this course.